In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a website in Silex. By the end, you'll know how to create a safe duplicate of an existing project so you can experiment, redesign, or test changes without touching the original. First, open your browser and head to v3.silex.me/in. Silex is a visual website builder, and this link takes you to the current interface. It's easiest to follow along on a desktop or laptop so you can clearly see your projects in the editor. Once the page loads, you should land on the dashboard where your existing projects are listed. This process assumes you already have a project that you want to copy and that it's visible in your project list. Next, locate the project you want to clone. On the right side of that project's card or row, look for the duplicate icon. It typically looks like two overlapping squares and may show a tooltip labeled Duplicate when you hover over it. Click that icon. Silex will immediately create a full copy of the project for you. The duplication is usually quick, but give it a moment if you're working with a larger site. Staying on the dashboard while it completes ensures you can spot the new version as soon as it appears. When the copy is ready, you'll see a new project in the list with the same name as your original, but with the word copy added. That label is your confirmation that it's a clone. Go ahead and open the copy to check it. Inside the editor, review your pages, layouts, styles, and images to make sure everything looks right. The key thing to remember here is that the duplicated project is independent. Any edits you make in the copy won't affect your original site, and vice versa, which makes it perfect for trying bold ideas or learning new features without risk. A quick tip as you work: use the copy as your sandbox for experiments, drafts, or A/B versions while keeping your original stable. If you manage several clones, keeping an eye on the copy label will help you avoid confusion. Also, when you're ready to take changes live at some point, remember that publishing and integrations are handled at the project level, so review those settings in the copy before you move forward. That's all there is to it. Open Silex, hit the duplicate icon on the project you want, and open the new copy to verify. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building confidently with your freshly cloned Silex site.